Hi, welcome to my video. Today we will see how you can create faceless video for your YouTube channel. Also you can create your branding video. Today we will see how you can create short faceless video using Pictory AI. Pictory is a AI powered video creation software. You can use it for video creation. First we will create a video script by using ChatGPT. We are getting the video script. That's good. We will copy the video script. Then we will get text to video. Click on there. Paste the video script. Delete unnecessary word. Click on proceed. It will take time because it's analyzing your text and picking suitable media for your video. If you want to buy the Pictory, you can use our coupon code to get discount. If you go then price section, click on any plan, it will redirect to click on apply coupon, click to apply. You will get 20% discount for any of plan and package. Now to scene is creating. Okay, it's done. All are scene created by automatically AI. We can select or change any of scene. Click on visual. If you want to change this video script, you can click on there. It will change the video. Then you can select audio. Click on music, and first if you want to use any kind of voiceover, you can select from there. First listen.
Oh, you're here. All right, let's just talk this.
The only thing to do with good advice.
Allow the world.
You can select any of them. This is 11 Labs voiceover. I'm selecting
Work while you have the light. You are
generate to apply. It will automatically apply to every page. Now it's done. We can select background music. It's first automatically applied your background music. You can listen to it. Also can change from vast amount of library. Also you can upload your voiceover or music what you want. So you can change the style. That means style means subtitle you can change, and also you can add any kind of text, headline or anything. Also you can use branding. If you have any color, branding color, you can use it. Also you can use any of elements and for marking. Also you can format the video. We will make it for social media or video shorts. So we will select ratio and it's automatically change the ratio. Then if you want to remove the subtitle, click on there and apply to all. It will remove all the subtitle from all the videos. Also you can apply same way. Before you download the video, you can preview, and also you can download the video from the download link. Thank you.
Hey, you! Yeah, you scrolling through. When was the last time you did something for you? No, not work, not errands, but your health? Here's the thing, your body is talking to you every day. Are you listening? That afternoon slump? Maybe you need more water, not coffee. Feeling sluggish? A 10-minute walk can wake you up more than a nap. Skin breaking out? Check what you're eating. Your body keeps receipts. Healthy living isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. Move a little more. Eat whole foods. Sleep like you mean it. And most importantly, don't stress too much about it. Start small. Drink that water. Stretch right now. Your future self will thank you.